Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and do a flip through of this cottage style shabby-esque notebook that I made for my mom. She just loved the journal that I made previously. You'll see that one in a couple of videos previous to this one. But anywho, yeah, I went ahead and made a notebook for her. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I know that I call everything shabby chic and it all falls into that one genre, right? But this is more of a shabby-esque style, and I was looking through YouTube to see what this style that I love so much could actually fit under, because it's not necessarily shabby chic, you know. I mean, it's so hard for me to put into words, but anywho, what I did find was a style called Cottage, which is a blend of clean and shabby chic and everything feminine that we love within this genre. So I'm calling it Cottage Style Spiral Notebook that I made, and I did use my cinch binder for the binding mechanism of this. Now, there were quite a few mistakes that I made along the way, and I did put everything on video, but I'm apprehensive about putting this process video out there because, like I said, there's a ton of mistakes that I made, and I had to fix those mistakes. And so and you let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see my process video. It's not going to be a tutorial because, hey, this is my very first notebook that I've made like this using the cloth and everything. And so, yeah, I was experimenting, you know. It's one of those projects that I was like, okay, let's see how this turns out, right? And so, you know where I'm coming from. So, yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see the entire process, mistakes and all. Okay, so that way you won't do what I did. Okay, enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for watching.